When an electronic power supply gives up, component failure is typically expected. Individual electronic components such as capacitors, resistors, or transistors may fail due to stress, overheating, or manufacturing defect. Overheating is also a factor. Excessive heat generated by the power supply may cause components to fail or damage the circuit board. Short circuits can also occur. A short circuit between components can cause high currents to flow, leading to component damage or fire. Voltage spikes can also be a problem. Surges or spikes in electrical voltage can stress components and cause failures. Aging is a factor as well. Over time, components degrade and become less reliable, increasing the risk of failure. The expected life of a light-emitting diode, or LED, exit sign installed in the mid-1990s depends on various factors. LED technology is a factor. Early light-emitting diode, or LED technology had shorter lifespans than modern LED. Manufacturing quality also matters. The quality of the materials and assembly can impact the overall lifespan. Environmental conditions matter as well. Exposure to harsh environments such as high temperatures or moisture can shorten the lifespan. Based on these factors, the expected lifespan of a mid-1990s light-emitting diode, or LED, exit sign could range from 5 to 15 years. However, it's important to note that this is an approximate range, and individual signs may have longer or shorter lifespans. A 2 to 3% failure rate over a 10 to 12 year period is higher than typical for light-emitting diode, or LED, exit signs. The expected failure rate for such equipment would generally be around 1% or less. However, it's important to consider the following factors. The age of the signs matter. The signs in question are relatively old, which may contribute to the increased failure rate. Environmental conditions are also a factor. The signs are installed in a medical center, which may expose them to various environmental stresses. There could also be possible manufacturing defects. If there were any underlying defects in the power supplies, this could have led to a higher failure rate. Given these factors, it's reasonable to investigate the failed power supplies and consider potential remedies, such as upgrading to more reliable power supplies or implementing preventative maintenance measures.